Peace be upon you. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this series on English tenses. Now, I am gonna complete the past simple tense. Before that, you know what I want you to do. Big smile, deep breathe. One more time. Breathe deeply and move your body while you're learning this lesson and any lessons. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, let's look at how to form the past simple tense with irregular verbs. What's an irregular? That's a verb where the past tense form is quite different or sometimes completely different from the regular form of the verb. Like buy, bought, say, said, said, go, went, gone, take, took, taken, see, saw, seen, etc. All you have to do, memorize them through stories, articles, newspapers, etc. Let's look at an example here. Our base verb is gonna be the verb to say, alright? This is our base verb to say. So in the past simple tense in positive sentence, we use the second conjunction of the verb. Say, said, I said. It will be the same for all of the subjects. I said, you said, we said, they said, she said, he said, it said. Next, we go to negative sentence. So, it's the same principle as we learned for the regular verb. We are going to back to the base form of the verb and we add that helping verb did not. But when we shorten it, it becomes didn't. Take these examples. I didn't say, not said. We come back to the base form of the verb, okay? It will be the same for all of the subjects. I didn't say, you didn't say, we didn't say, they didn't say, he didn't say, she didn't say, and it didn't say. Next question. Again, we need that helping verb did in negative and in a question. So the question become, did I say? Did I say, not said. We come back, we remember that. Don't forget that. We come back to the base form of the verb. I didn't say, and the question, did you say? Say, not said. Did I say? Did you say? Did we say? Did they say? Did he say? Did she say? And did it say? The way that we form those verbs is the same for regular verbs and irregular verbs. Just with irregular, you have to learn what is that past tense form for the verb. For the verb. Okay? Okay. If you need to add question word, we say Where did I say? Where did we say? Why did we say? How did he say? Etc. We just put it before did. Before did. We just put it before did. Okay? Did I say? We just put it before did. Why did I say? Why did I say? Okay? Take this example to explain the past simple tense. She bought a car in positive sentence. In positive sentence, she bought a car. Negative sentence, she didn't buy a car. We come back to the base form of the verb. She didn't buy a car. Question: did she buy or bought? Buy. Come back to the base form of the verb. Buy a car. That's irregular. Regular: he called his mom. Negative: he didn't call or call his mom. A question: did he call or called? Call. In question and negative, we come back to the base form of the verb. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Did he call his mom? And the question word: why did he call his mom? Okay? Okay. Next, let's look at how to give short answers with the past simple tense using both the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. Okay. Did Abud finish his homework? The answer is yes, he did, or no, he didn't. No, he didn't. Another example. Did the flight leave on time? The answer is yes, it did, or no, it didn't. Did you understand the past simple tense? I hope your answer is yes, I did. Yes, I did. Again, did you understand the past simple tense? Say, yes, I did. I understand. All you have to do, repeat this lesson or any lesson every day for 1 week. Okay?